Hi, my name is Mary, and before we continue, please put on your headphones for a better experience.
Tom was a young man who lived in a small and quiet neighborhood. Every morning before going to work, he stopped at the same bakery near his house. He liked the smell of fresh bread and the warm coffee. It was his favorite moment of the day. One Saturday morning, Tom went to the bakery a little later than usual. The place was full of people. While he was waiting in line, he saw a girl standing near the bread shelf. She had long brown hair and a friendly smile. She was looking at the breads and reading the labels carefully. Tom felt nervous, but he wanted to talk to her. When it was his turn, he ordered a coffee and a croissant. After that, he stood near the table where the girl was sitting. A few seconds later, the girl looked at him and smiled. Tom smiled back and said, "Hi." She answered, "Hi." He asked her if the bakery was her favorite place too. She said yes and explained that she came there every weekend. Her name was Anna. She was new in the neighborhood and wanted to know more places. They started to talk about simple things, work, food, and the neighborhood. The conversation was easy and natural. Tom learned that Anna liked sweet bread and hot chocolate. Anna learned that Tom liked coffee and quiet mornings. After some time, Tom had to leave. Before going, he asked if they could meet again at the bakery next week. Anna said yes and smiled again. Tom left the bakery feeling happy. A simple morning in a bakery became a special moment. Sometimes a new story starts with a simple hi.
Congratulations on making it this far. Now let's learn the meaning of some words you saw in the story.
Bakery. Every morning, before going to work, he stopped at the same bakery near his house. A bakery is a place where people make bread, cakes, and other baked food. In a bakery, you can buy things like bread, croissants, and pastries. In the story, Tom goes to the bakery every morning because he likes the food and the atmosphere. It is usually a small shop, and the food is often fresh. Fresh. He liked the smell of fresh bread and the warm coffee. The word fresh means something new, not old and recently made. Fresh bread is bread that was made today or a short time ago. It smells good and tastes better. In the story, Tom likes fresh bread because it is warm and delicious. Usual. One Saturday morning, Tom went to the bakery a little later than usual. Usual means something that normally happens, something common or routine. Tom usually goes to the bakery at the same time every day, but on Saturday he went later than his normal time. So usual talks about habits and routines. Shelf. While he was waiting in line, he saw a girl standing near the bread shelf. A shelf is a flat place where items are put, usually on a wall or inside a store. In a bakery, bread is often placed on shelves so people can see and choose it. In the story, Anna is standing near the shelf to look at the bread. Labels. She was looking at the breads and reading the labels carefully. Labels are small pieces of paper or signs that give information about a product. Labels can show the name, ingredients, or price. Anna reads the labels to know what kind of bread she wants. Labels help customers make a choice. Neighborhood. She was new in the neighborhood and wanted to learn more about the places. A neighborhood is the area where people live, usually near their homes. It includes houses, streets, and local places like shops and bakeries. Anna is new in the neighborhood, so she wants to learn about the area and find new places. Quiet. Anna learned that Tom liked coffee and quiet mornings. Quiet means calm with little or no noise. A quiet morning is peaceful and relaxing. Tom likes quiet mornings because they help him feel calm before work. This word is often used to describe places or moments with no noise. Nervous. Tom felt nervous, but he wanted to talk to her. Nervous means feeling worried, shy, or a little scared. People often feel nervous when they meet someone new or do something important.
That's all, folks. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments and let me know which country you are from. See you next time!